Woo! Good morning, Ballistic Adventures. We are out here at Pineland Marina, Pine Island Sound. We are big boy fishing today. The water is crystal clear and super salty. Very beautiful spot. I've pulled up on a little oyster bed here. I'm fixing to launch the drone to get an idea of the surroundings and where the best opportunity for finding fish might be. But it's so cool here. I wanted to share with you all. I don't know if the camera will get it or not. I hope so. There's a tiny little starfish in the water right there. He is tiny. It's so neat. So neat. And what's funny is I saw an even tinier one over there somewhere. Oh, there it is right there. I don't know if you can see it. Right at the end of my finger. It's so tiny. He's on that little piece of oyster bed there. But anyway, so yeah. Absolutely gorgeous morning. We're going to do some fishing, some video making, some drone flying. And yeah. See if we can't have some fun this morning. Alright, until in a minute. See ya. Woo, excited. at that needlefish. Golly. Whoa. What you need a boat with me, bro? I like it, but not like that. He keeps jumping around like that. Eventually he'll cut that line. It's pumping and drag. Yeah. That was loopy. Oh, did he get off? I can't tell. Oh, no, he's there. He's there. Okay. He's still there. Not feeling very good, though. You down? That's gummit. So, yeah. I can't put fish in the boat. Little bitty guy, so cute. Mwah. Yay, finally landed a trout. Woohoo! Oh, really, guys? what can I say? It's just one of those days. Another speckled sea trousper. Woo, Merry Christmas. It is Christmas Eve. And it's so beautiful out here today. Absolutely gorgeous. A little bit of wind.